Elvy is a wireless night charger that is designed to block radiation and give you the ultimate night's sleep. Like these two people. What happens when you charge your phone without an Elvy?
Where's the magic gone? Where did it run to? Never thought it'd leave. It was there, now I blankly stare. And I wonder where the magic's gone. Is there a reason why it was leaving? Did I stop believing? Or could it be true? Now I just hope that one day it'll come back and make everything new.
Can't get your head out of the microwave? Get an Elvy, a wireless night charger that is designed to improve sleep quality by blocking 95% of radiation without interfering with your charging habits and phone functionality, allowing you to stay safe and available throughout the night. Elvy was developed by a team of award-winning professionals and was tested in numerous trials until proven extremely effective. Support our Indiegogo campaign and give your loved ones the opportunity for an ultimate night's sleep.